Sanibonani, bafundi bebanga lesithathu. Ngiyanamukela futhi ngiyathemba ukuthi nibe namaholide amnandi. Hello grade 3s, welcome to our last term. I hope you guys had a beautiful holidays and you are ready for this term. We are going to start this term with the days of the week. Namhlanje sizofunda ngezinsuku zeviki. I know you know izinsuku zeviki from grade 2 and grade 1. So today we are going to practice them again. And then because you are in grade 3 now, you have to know how to write them. So we are going to start the days of the week with the song. So the days of the week in Zulu is izinsuku zeviki. Izinsuku zeviki. You can also say izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. A week in Zulu is iviki or isonto. So you can just say izinsuku zeviki or izinsuku zesonto. They're both fine. So now we are going to sing the song, the days of the week song. It goes like this. Umsombuluko, ulwesibili, ulwesithathu, ulwesine, ulwesihlanu, umgqibelo, isonto, isonto. Umsombuluko, ulwesibili, ulwesithathu, ulwesine, ulwesihlanu, umgqibelo, isonto, isonto. Do you remember the song? So now I want you to join me and let's sing together. Umsombuluko, ulwesibili, ulwesithathu, ulwesine, ulwesihlanu, umgqibelo, isonto, isonto. Well done, that was beautiful. So now, how many days of the week do we have? Zingaki izinsuku zeviki? Noma zingaki izinsuku zesonto? Zingaki izinsuku zeviki or zingaki izinsuku zesonto? How many days of the week? Yes, we have 7 days of the week. So in Zulu we say sinezinsuku eziyisikhombisa zeviki. Sinezinsuku eziyisikhombisa zeviki. Or you can say zesonto. So now we are going to say those days of the week. The first day of the week, it is what? Monday. So what is Monday in Zulu? So the first day of the week is Monday. Monday in Zulu is umsombuluko. Umsombuluko. Practice to say it with me. Umsombuluko. And after umsombuluko is ulwesibili. Ulwesibili, which it is? It is Tuesday. And the next day after Tuesday is ulwesithathu. Ulwesithathu. Say with me. Ulwesithathu. And the next day is ulwesine, which it is Thursday. Ulwesine. Say with me. Ulwesine. Ulwesihlanu, Friday. Ulwesihlanu. Now say with me. Ulwesihlanu. So umgqibelo, we have a clicking sound, which is Q. Umgqibelo, and our G here, it is a silent G. So uMgqibelo, it is Saturday. uMgqibelo. Say with me. uMgqibelo. And the next one, which is the last day of the week, is Isonto. Isonto. Isonto is Sunday. Okay, let's practice to say Isonto. Isonto. Good job. So that is our days of the week. Please practice them and know them off by heart. Okay. So let's practice to say them together once more. The first day of the week is uMsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo, Isonto. Good job. So what is your favorite day of the week? My favorite day of the week is uLwesihlanu. Ngithanda uLwesihlanu. Okay, so now we are going to look at them. We're going to look at the days of the week when you want to say on Monday or on Tuesday. So how do we say on Monday or on Tuesday, etc. in Zulu? So when you want to say on Monday, you say ngomsombuluko. So you remove that u and then you replace it with ngo. Ngomsombuluko means on Monday. Ngomsombuluko is on Monday. NgoLwesibili, you also remove the u and then replace it with ngo. It means on Tuesday. NgoLwesibili, on Tuesday. NgoMgqibelo. NgoMgqibelo is on Saturday. NgoMgqibelo is on Saturday. Here we have ngesonto, so it's not go. Why it says nge? Because it starts with isonto. It's not the same as is umsombuluko with an u, uLwesibili with an u, uMgqibelo with an u. So here we have ngesonto because Sunday it starts with e. So instead of saying go, we say ngesonto. So Sunday is the only one where you put nge, because Sunday it starts with e. It says isonto. So now when you want to say on Sunday, you say ngesonto. Okay. So remember that if you want to say on Monday, just put go and remove that u, and then ngoLwesibili, you do the same thing. You remove that u, and then you say ngoLwesibili. Okay, so please, grade 3s, remember that when you write the days of the week, you have to write them, you have to write the first letter in capital letter. So for Monday, you're gonna put M in capital letter, and then Lwesibili, which is Tuesday, L, and Saturday, it is M, Sunday is S. Okay, so let's look at the days of the week again. So you see here we have uMsombuluko, which it is Monday. Remember the u is not saying Monday. It's just helping the way to sound better. So u is it's helping the weight to sound better. So the days of the week, which it is Monday, in Zulu it is Msombuluko. So that's why you see here we have a capital letter M. Okay, so u is just helping the word to sound better. But Monday is Msombuluko. Same as Lwesibili. Lwesibili, it is Tuesday. U just helping the word to sound better. And then Lwesithathu also. Lwesithathu, u is just helping the Wednesday word to sound better. same as ulwesine. So you see the L, it is a capital letter. And then lwesihlanu, L is a capital letter. Gqibelo also, M. And then isonto also, you see E, it is a small letter because Sunday is sonto. So we have S as a capital letter that stands for sonto. Okay. So please remember that when you write the days of the week, you always have to put the first letter of the word in capital letter. Okay. So manje sizofunda ukuthi what is today in Zulu, what is tomorrow, what is yesterday. So today in Zulu is namhlanje or namuhla. So you can say namhlanje, meaning today, or you can say namuhla, still says today. And then tomorrow in Zulu is kusasa. Kusasa. Kusasa, it is tomorrow. And then yesterday is izolo. Izolo. Izolo, it is yesterday. So today is namhlanje. And then tomorrow is kusasa. And yesterday is izolo. Okay. That's it for today, grade 3. Ngiyabonga. Salani kahle. Please don't stop practicing the days of the week.